Do you want to set off fireworks in your hands? Today, I want to share firework origami. Get a square sheet of paper. Any size is fine. Step 1. Fold 4 creases including 2 mediums and 2 diagonals. Firstly, fold upwards. Align the vertex and the 2 sides. And this one. Press the midpoints and push down and to both sides. Unfold, we can get 1 medium. Let me use the pencil to draw out the lines to highlight the creases. It's not necessary for you guys. The other medium we can fold from right to left or from left to right. Even move the paper to fold upwards. It's okay, it's all up to you. I like to fold from right to left. Align, press and push. Now unfold. We get the other medium. Rotate 45 degrees and make 2 diagonals. It's in the same way. Fold upwards, align, press and push. We can see the 2 new vertices are pointed. It means fine. Unfold. Let me draw the lines to highlight the creases. There is only 1 diagonal. Press, push, unfold. Now we get 4 creases. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 2. Fold out a small square by collecting midpoints of each side. Fold upwards. Align the center point and the 2 sides. And press to push. The next one, I suggest the adjacent side. This one or this one, not the diagonal side, which might be irregular. Then press the vertex and the center point, push, press, and push. The last one has 2 new vertices. We should press at the same time and push. Unfold it. We can get a small square. Step 3. Fold 4 small triangles. This one, this one, this one, this one. Align the small square side and the diagonals points of intersection. Let me draw out. Again, it's not necessary for you guys to draw the lines because when holding we can see the creases. This point, align this point, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 4. Fold and flip. Maintain these triangles and fold upward according the small square side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 side. Step 5, just like step 2, fold out a smaller squares by collecting the midpoints of each side. Let me draw out the creases to show obviously. Align the center point and the two sides. Press the vertices and push. And the adjacent side, press and push. Press and push. Press the last one. Two new vertices and push. Free side. We can see 4 pockets. Press the center point and spread the pockets in a gentle way. Pull opposite sides. Pull opposite sides like this. You see this? And pinch to push. Pinch to push towards the middle. And we can hold it like this. Make creases clear. And 2 by one side and 2 by one side. You can this or you can do this. It's the same. Now we can get 1 loving heart. Then we get another 7 loving hearts. It's not necessary to have 7. You can have 8, 9, 10 or more or less. It's also up to you. Step 7. Open one side like this. We can also open it below and spread it just like a little boxes. And open the next one in the same way. You can get 2. And we stuff into each other. This line and this line should be matched. Stuff into the other one. Match the lines. You can get this and push the below to fold. These 2 new ones to be left. And continue the same way. The following is starving all loving hearts. You can skip to this timing to the next step. Step 8. Open the last one and the first one. Stuff into each other. It is in the same way. Match the lines and forward. We can make the creases clearer. Now we finish the firework. We can flip like this. Is it like a firework? I think it is really beautiful. It makes me recollect fireworks scattered like a star rings. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have fun, please give the video a like and also subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of cool and beautiful tutorials wanting to share with you. And also feel free to leave a comment of anything you want to know. Thank you for watching.